Here's what's left of the wild ramps that I picked about a week ago. Now, you'll notice that they're just the leaves, and there's a good reason for that. It's because, unfortunately, where I live in New York, there are opportunities to find plenty of wild edibles, and that includes ramps. The problem is that you don't find that much of it. So you have to be careful and not dig everything up. So I'm happy with just the leaves. The leaves are just fine. And what I did was I transferred them into a steamer basket. There's the bottom for the steam to come through. And I'm just rinsing them real good. I just did a big rinse. I'm just doing this for the video. And then I have some water boiling on the stove. And I'll just put them on there until they're wilted. You don't want to cook them for too long. And we'll sit there for a few minutes. And of course, just like spinach, you end up with about a quarter of what you started with. That's alright. They're delicious, they're good for you, they're an excellent spring tonic. Now what I'm doing right here is, I poured off the cooking water, and I'm going to put the leeks back in the pot that had the water in it. Add some awesome pasture-raised, grass-fed, raw butter. Some good old-fashioned sea salt. And this is the real deal. This is not something I just picked up at the store. This is actually salt that I've had for more than 25 years, if you can believe that. Then I'll put a lid on it. And let the butter melt. And here is the finished result. Boy, that looks good. A little bit of pepper, all set. Bon appetit.